Senor Gabriel Calderon. Of course, he's Spanish, but he speaks good English. And
That's right.
all right, first, coach, you started the game very well, 2-0 up, but then came back at the end. It was 2-2. Take us through the game.
Yes. Okay. Yes, we started with two goals for us. I don't think there was two games or two different periods according to the results. I think the game was at the same level. I think both teams were really strong. My team performed, I think, at a very high level. I'm really proud of them. We could understand very well the game. The players could identify the weaknesses of Jamaica, also the strength, of course. I think it was a game against a top team. No, for me, it's the very favorite team of the group. But I think we were able to fight, to suffer, to do a good job against them. I think we could win, yes, because we had 3 chances, very clear. Unfortunately, we couldn't score. However, what I'm proud of my team is the attitude, the mentality, the effort to defend, to suffer, and to try to score at any time in the game. They didn't lose the patience, they didn't lose the personality, they didn't lose the control of the game. Even if we were winning 2-0, we were at the same level. In 2-1, we stayed at the same level, we could score. In 2-2, we stayed at the same level again. So we didn't go down, you know, in terms of performance and confidence. And this is for me the most important.
Robert?
Coach, Robert, Jamaica observer. Were you surprised that your team went up 2-0 so early in the game?
No, I was not surprised. We were ready to score at any time. We knew how to score, so we did it many times. We scored only 2, but we did it many times. Of course, Jamaica is a very strong team. We understood that it would be very hard. It was, and until the last moment of the game, we can never think that we are going to win. So yes, even if we score early or late, we were ready for anything, to score at any time, because we had the quality, we had the profile of players. I think we did a good job during the week. So yeah, we were ready also for this. Why not?
Speaking of that quality, coach, you must be more disappointed, you know, based on what you saw tonight, that you guys didn't get a point, that you didn't win the game against Cuba.
Yes, against Cuba we draw, so we have only 2 points. I think we are not out. I don't think so. I think we still are in, but of course we have to win the 2 next game, no? Yes, we are a little bit disappointed because I think we could win both games, to be honest. We had the possibility, we had the chances, but football is like this. We have in front of us another team, another players that have good quality, and they also want to win. So sometimes you cannot control all the aspects of the game. So yeah, this is the reality. We will continue to fight and to work.
Playing coach, what are some of the positives you know take away from this game?
What I take away, the personality of the team, the mentality, the capacity to fight, to suffer, with ball and without ball, to be intelligent, to manage the game. This is for me the most important, because in the Gold Cup we didn't do it enough, and I think against Cuba and today we did it very well. So I'm really proud of them, and this is the message that I transmit to them. Guys, we draw 2 times, yes, but we fight, we suffer, all together every time. All the players defend, even the strikers. This is the idea, what I try to build from the beginning.
How you assess the performance of the Jamaican team, and were you expect what was their game, what you were expecting from them?
Very physical team, a lot of quality, individual players at the maximal level. We know where they play, so I don't need to describe the quality of the players. It's a team who is very aggressive with ball and without ball, very speed. In the long, in the air actions, no, the long balls, they win all actions. Is normal. They are physically very strong, but also they have quality. And the style to play forward, play fast, we could identify it when we analyze them, and we realized that it would be very difficult today. So yes, it's a top team, Jamaica. To be honest, I have to congratulate them too.
How will this help you for the next game against Jamaica?
Yes, of course. When we play against that team, we will play again. We have information. We know what to do, and we will try to do our best, of course.
Playing in the Dominican Republic at home, is it taking away from your advantage? You don't have the Haitian crowd to work with. you have to play your home games away.
Totally. I think to play in Dominican Republic is not good at all for us. The level of the stadium, the conditions, the infrastructure, the way to go to the field, I think is not according to a high level, to a professional level, to a League A of Nations League. And this is a negative point that have a big impact on our performance. So I think hopefully we can change the place to play at home. In Haiti is not possible, of course, but we will try to find other places. We will try.
Coach, how is the turmoil back home affecting the team right now?
Can you repeat this?
How is the turmoil back home in Haiti affecting the team right now? The mindset of the team?
No, it doesn't affect. We are strong, we are mentally ready, and we adapt to any situation. The team is very strong.
Is it motivating them though to do better?
We always are motivated. I always want more. I demand to everybody everything. You could see in the field a fight team with young players, with new players. It was not easy, so we could do it.
Is the team train mostly in Haiti or in the US?
Sorry?
Does the team train mostly in Haiti or in the US?
No, not in the US. We are in Europe. Players are in Europe. I don't know if you ask me this. I don't understand very well. Sorry, but the players are mostly in Europe, and we will try to play in the US.
I think he's asking where does the team train when they're preparing for international matches?
No, we prepare directly in the place where we are going to play. For example, we played in Dominican Republic last time. We arrived directly there. If we play outside the first game, we will go directly there. We don't have a place to train right now. That's the reality. We are a difficult country, you know the situation, and we adapt. But it's not a problem. We work very well. We perform. Even in the Gold Cup, we perform very well. No problem. We adapt. There's no excuse for anything.
More question?
Yes. Go ahead. What is the perspective of Jamaica from a team like Haiti? You know, a team having a recent surge in Concacaf. How do you view Jamaica? Do you think you can take them on any given day, or are they viewed as one of the top 2 or 3 best teams?
I think, I think no. From my point of view, it's personal, but I think Jamaica is on the top, or it can be on the top for sure. At the level of US, Mexico, it's a really good team. I think because when I analyze the players individually, it's amazing. It's amazing, really. Physically, technically, tactically, everything. I think they have very good players. You can be proud of your players in Jamaica because they are really good. So it was hard for us to play, but we could do it. It shows that we also are very good, and we can play against anybody, and we can beat anybody. That's the idea that I have of my team.
Any other question? Thank you very much, Coach. And
Thank
good
you.
luck with the rest of the company.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. Bye bye.